So it's not only in the night.
Can they fry it fresh? I'm drenched. I'm happy you're doing better today. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, we're going now. You guys, I almost forgot Joy's changing. Thank God I remembered when I went to get something before leaving the house actually. So I have it here because I already told her. She called me and she was like, "Oh no, buy food when you're coming." And I was like, "I already got your favorite chin chin in vanilla flavor." And she was like, "Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you." So yeah, I'm actually going to have it with her because I'm pretty hungry myself. I'm not eating anything all day. I'm going to. I had my melon, of course, so that I don't faint on the road. But yeah, this is where I'm going to call it a clip. That's something. Okay, bye.
So it's not only in the night that the devils are accusing you, that you think it's only in the night that you pray. Many of you feel that it's only when you pray at night. Bible says he is accusing you in the front of God, day and night.
Joy will be good here. I almost forgot your chin chin. Thank God I remembered.
Please don't forget Akanosha. Chicken is always quite a lot.
But the potato, why did they do? Can they fry it fresh? It won't it be soggy? Is this? Yeah, this is reflection.
Can always request for what
Oh my God. Let's go inside.
message request?
You guys, I'm drenched. I did not take my umbrella because it was sunny. I mean, it was a bit bright. Yes, it was quite sunny when I was leaving for church. It wasn't gloomy. It didn't feel like it was going to rain at all. The clouds were not dark. Oh, look at me, drenched in rain. Anyways, I'm back from church. I had a really good time in church today, and I bought shawarma. You guys will see the clip, yeah. I bought shawarma, so I had to arrange the things that I got when I went to the market today. Look at the hair that I washed is already wet. I had to. Oh, I beg. So let me just. I need to arrange things that I got, and then my pillow. Put it there. My new pillow. I'm happy I got a new pillow. I'm thankful, and I'm going to eat hot eba this night. Yes, I'm vegetarian because it's cold. I was happy that I was able to play in the rain a bit, but the only reason why I entered the rain is because it started raining and I didn't have my umbrella and I needed to be home because it's currently past 9. There was no way I was going to keep waiting. There's no way I was going to keep waiting in church or where I was standing at the supermarket earlier. So yeah, let me just arrange my stuff and I'm going to do some editing this night before I go to bed. God, give me strength because I feel really sleepy, but I have to edit because I've been editing that vlog since. I have to close it out this week on filming, so yeah. watermelon. This is a watermelon. And it's sweet. I've tried watermelon. I don't taste exactly a watermelon, but it's in that category. This at least can be sweet. I don't like watermelon because of the seed.
Guys, we were told to park in the car park and then walk down to the event center. So that's where I'm headed off to now. I believe it's not far. I don't understand all this terrain to enter the estate. It's not an estate, me Masha. But yeah, hi guys. I feel sleepy. I don't know. I may not end up waiting till the end of the program. So yeah, but Twisting is there already, and I'm late. This past 6. Event was supposed to start by 9. Let's see. I'm happy you're doing better today. You did. I love this. It's cute. This is we to be wearing all these ones to the office.
What do you have? Only spaghetti and chicken. No rice.
They are making sure everybody's on the same level. Is that nobody can claim rich again. Rich what? What do you have that we don't have? And one of the defining moments that make me realize
time and never delays like African time is bigger than the Avengers, bigger than fibroid or cancer, is bigger than your zodiac sign. Do you not know who you are, child of God?
I know they talk too much, but it's too much my action. I'm from high places and my dimension. All that I think of you like I need my own God to do. So we know what I do myself and see my thing I need my own. Listen, as a living still on the Monday. I cross Chevy ways on the Wednesday. I know they look good back on the Thursday. I just celebrate like a Saturday. Big things every day. Big things every day. Big things every day.